Welcome to G-Shock Today we have a GA700UC, a GA100B, and a GLX 5600. Today we're going to show you how to install our watch guards. They click into place nice, fit tightly, very comfortable to wear, protects the face of your watch. Also makes them really look nice when you put them on. Nice military look for this watch. Super easy. Really upgrades the look of the watch and protects the face from scratches and breakage. Now, don't worry if they feel like they're not going on, because you do have to put a little pressure on these. They're going to slide over the top of these. Don't worry about it damaging your watch. They will not damage your watch. Push them over as hard as you need to and clip them over the top. These will fit tightly on your watch when you get them on. But that's a good thing. At the end of the day, it keeps your watch from being damaged by the bars or anything else. Keeps them on there nice and tight. Be sure to visit our website, www.gshockmods.com, for these and other G-Shock parts.